Hey everybody, it's Deanna. I need to get open and see what I ordered because I don't even remember. That's not very much, just a few things. Which I thought I ordered more than this, but I kind of lose track. And I don't know what they're called because they're not labeled. They were just they're $3 a piece. That's the only thing on the label. I have my invoice, but it's on my email. And I can't look at my email and video at the same time. Well, I could if I pull up my computer. Well, my email doesn't list what they are either. She just lists them by price. These have a... It's hard to tell in this light. Oh, in the sunlight, they're purple. They sure don't look purple in here. Even on this, they don't look purple. In the sunlight, they are purple. Okay, then. Ooh, I really need to get me some good lighting in here. If I thought that was a brown, and it's really a purple. Because the sunlight's shining on one part of my desk. Let's see if I don't make y'all sick. I don't know if you can see that that's purple. But that's purple. Anyway. And this one was $3 too. These are a check glass, I believe. Okay, we'll try this again. Or finish it. Sorry, I get interrupted by my boyfriend and he makes noise. Now, one of the other things I got from Hole in the Wall, or two of them. I'm not sure both of these were agate or not. I know this one is. This strand was $1.50. And it's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 beads on it. And then this one was $1.50. $25 beads. That one's got a little bit of a flaw and a crack, which I know happens, but they're pretty. I could see angels being made with that one. And each one of these was $2.50. I know these are check. I have this same color and different bead, different shape. I like these colors. I think they're pretty together. And $2.50. These are those. Oh, I can't remember now. They're almost like Dalmatian spots, but they're little. They look like they've got to be like 2 or 3 millimeters. If that, maybe 4. And this one It's the same thing, it's just bigger and cut different. And you know, my fingernails look terrible and will always look terrible. And some more check. I love these things. I just love these colors. These colors are so pretty. They remind me of trees changing color in the fall. Not that that does that down here in the south, but that's what they remind me of. And these are probably checked too. They almost look like they have that Picasso finish on them. And some really small ones. I think these may be small. These blue ones are smaller than the black ones. Or just a different cut. And they may be checked too. Like I said, I don't know. It's not listed on the invoice. Sometimes when you buy these things, you know, they list it on the picture, but not the invoice. Those were $2.50 a piece, all of those. These are some dyed shell. These were $1 for this strand. If you hear barking, there's dogs in the neighborhood, and my dog's out back. And these little things were $2. They look like they're clay. But I'm not sure at all because they're cold. And then these are check. These little melons I've had these melons before, not in this color, but those are check. And these were $2 a strand, each one. Well, that's it. Like I said, these were from Hole in the Wall. I've ordered from her before. I like her. I like her items. And her prices. And that's it. That's it, y'all. Thanks.